like.
Feel free to cut the cake. Don't remove your hand. Don't remove your hand. When you get to the number of children you want, if I start at 10, you want 10 children, cut it. Moses, resist the temptation to put your hand below her hand. I can see you trying to stop her from cutting it at 10. No, put your hand above. She will cut it when she wants to cut it. Alright? Alright, let's all count down together from 10, 9, 8, 7, they're consulting. 6, you can do this. 5, come on now guys. 4, hey, they cut the cake. May it be unto you, according to your desire. Alright, please don't move just yet, let the pyrotechnics end. If someone can help us with cutting out a piece so that he can